The judge tasted each one, eating bigger and bigger pieces as the contest went on. Then he got to the biggest cake of all. It was huge. And then finally he saw Sprinkle holding her tiny little cake. "Why, what's this?" he said. "It's my cake," said Sprinkle. "It looks more like a crumb," said the biggest of the bakers. The other bakers all laughed, but Sprinkle paid no attention. The judge took a teeny tiny slice out of Sprinkle's cake. "Yummy," he said. "Incredible, amazing, this is the best cake ever. Young lady, you are the winner." And after they all tried it, the other bakers all agreed that Sprinkle's little cake was the best cake ever.